We actually did this in the homework already. Now I have 3 here. I won't do them all. Maybe I'll do the first 2, because actually the third one didn't show anything new anyways. But these are definitely 2 of the possibilities here. Okay, in this one, we're solving a right triangle, so we know we set it up with our A, B, C, right? A, C, and B. And we know that the opposite sides are the lowercase letters A, B, and C. The A is 5, the B is 7, and the C we don't know. So we have to, when we say solve the right triangle, it means fill in all the missing sides and angles. How could I find the C? It's Pythagorean theorem, right? You really don't need trigonometry for that. We can just say C equals the square root of 5 squared plus 7 squared. And you could turn that into a decimal. What is that? 8.6. Thank you. So this is 8.6. Okay, now we need to find an angle, either A or B. It doesn't matter. And then because we got all 3 sides, it doesn't even matter which trig function we use. You know, if it was me, what I would do, because this has got some rounding in it, I would probably use these 2 sides. So maybe I'll use tangent of A equals 5 over 7. And then, again, if you want to find the angle, which is inside, do the inverse. A equals tan inverse of 5 over 7. And that is somebody, 35.5, sounds good. So we know that the A is 35.5. And then we have to find the B. Again, we could just subtract from 90. We don't have to do trigonometry because they add up to 180. So what is B is 90 minus 35.5. 54.5. So if you get one, and you will, where you're given 2 sides, you're going to have to use the inverse trig function to find one of the angles.